Go on then. You go for it. Oh, come on. Yay! Come on. One more. Yes! Yeah. Come on. Oh, there was mini flashing by there. Go on. I mean, it's only $10, but I'll take it. Go on, you still got some more. Come on. Last one. One more. $88 bet though. Yeah. Huge win. On an 88% bet, it's a huge win, isn't it? Woohoo! Back up spin?
Back up?
Yeah. 30 cents. Time to retire.
Cash out.
And this is the $1 million that you can go and get your photo taken with in Binions for free. You just pop your email address in, it takes the photo and it sends it over to you, and you can be the keeper of a nice awkward photo like us. Doing the Main Street treasure hunt and my shit in it. We're really shit. We don't know if we're looking at the right things. We don't know if we're in the right area. Mr. Map Reader over here.
Can't find them.
Can't find anything. So we're just looking at stuff and hoping that's it, and it's, yeah, we'll see if we see anything. I want to see the Berlin Wall, but it's in the men's toilet, so Peter may have to go get that one.
Yeah.
We think this is I think this is one of them.
Stained glass window.
Yeah, but we've seen a lot of stained glass windows. This one's got a nip throat. That's why he wants to look at that one. It's pretty, even if we're not finding the right things. It's still cool. Just been in the California. It was okay. Wasn't a big fan. That was a Zoltar number. He's 1 and 3 and 3 and 5.
Come on, motherfucker! You piece of shit.
No, 1 and 5.
No more bets.
Come on, man. I was sure he was there.
many trains as you can. Chugga chugga choo choo! Keep on rolling. Hey now! Big win! Well done! All right!
Stupid little horses. The fucking stupid little horses.
Beautifully. Number 1 ahead by 1.5 lengths. Number 5 gets the second position. Let's see if number 5 catches up. Number 1 is the top runner. Following behind is number 5. Number 1, did you capture the lead? At the finish post. Number 1 won. In first place. Number 5, can you get that position? Number 1, did you capture the lead? A dramatic finish. The winner of the race is number 1.
So, lie down. Actually, let's put you there. You alright there? So we. Oh, sorry. Is that okay? Cool. We've been on Fremont today, and it was awesome. So we went to Binion's Cafe first of all because Peter loves that. He likes to get the steak because it's a huge steak for pretty cheap. I got a turkey, like mash, stuffing, cranberry sauce. It was enormous. It was just a big plate of beige, but it was really good beige. And then yeah, we just spent the whole day like casino hopping downtown. So we've gone to like Main Street in California, the D, Golden Gate, Golden Nugget, Circa. So we watched a bit of hockey in Circa. We weren't really vibing with the game, and it was absolutely freezing in the sportsbook. Awesome, but absolutely freezing cold. So we went to gamble some more. But yeah, it's been a really good day. We're not up at all. We set ourselves quite a high budget today because we knew we were going to be going to lots of casinos, so we wanted to be able to gamble in all of them. We didn't manage to do all of the downtown casinos, but we're coming back on Saturday night. Then we went to 8 East for tea. Oh my god, unbelievable, so good. We got the brisket fried rice, popcorn chicken skin. It was so good. Like, you'll see videos or pictures, you might have already seen them, but it was so good. I would recommend that to I'm not even drunk. I'd recommend it to everyone because it was honestly so good. And then we've got some pink box donuts for pudding, so let me show you. Oh, that was a nice angle. Look at them. So yeah, oh fuck, can't shut the box. Yeah, so it's been a really good day, and tomorrow is an early start, so it's like 9:30 now, but we're gonna have an early night because we have to be at the Excalibur for 8:30 tomorrow morning, and we've been enjoying some lions this week, so yeah. But I don't think you'll be able to see it because I've got the light on, but can you see the Sphinx down there a little bit? No, that's pointless. I can see it, and I really like the view. So yeah, great day. We haven't really won anything. We've been keeping little bits that we've been winning. So like if we've doubled our money, we take the profit and put the original stake back in. I think we've got about $200 left, but yeah, good day. At the Hoover Dam. Oh, I love electricity. Eddie says we're gonna get some soon.
Oh, I love electricity. Eddie says we're gonna get some soon.
I'm trying to selfie stick up, so it's quite heavy to do it like this, but yeah, I just thought I'd tell you how our day's been and what we've done today. So we did the Hoover Dam tour, so we did it with Grey Line via Viator, I think that's how you say it. We got an offer and it was about 45 quid, $45, sorry, so that, what's that, £38 or something, and they picked us up from the Excalibur, so we had to go next door, which was fine, at 8:40, but they were like 20-25 minutes late, which doesn't sound too bad, but when it's like that early and you're like, I could have been in bed for an extra half an hour, which is a bit shit, but anyway. But the tour guide that we had, the driver slash tour guide, called Chris, was fantastic. Like, he told us so much on the way there while driving, which I just think is really impressive. But yeah, full of facts. Really, really interesting. And then we got to do the power plant tour once we got to the Hoover Dam. It was cool. It just makes me think of National Lampoon's Vegas Vacation. So much. Everywhere I look, I'm like, that's where Clark was, and that's where Eddie was, and yeah, so I liked it for those reasons. But it's also very impressive. And what else did we do? Yeah, so my favourite bit was the bit on the Hoover Dam where you can straddle 2 states, so you're in Arizona and Nevada, which I think is really cool, because we do that in Iceland. You can do that as well, where you're on different continents. So yeah, I find it really, really cool. So we did that, and then we got back to the Strip about 3, and we were both absolutely starving, so we went to Olive Garden. And I know Olive Garden to Americans is nothing special, well, to some maybe, but it's kind of like the UK equivalent maybe of like, oh, I don't know, like Frankie and Benny's or Pizza Express or something, where it's fine and you go there and eat there, but it's not usually where you go for like a special occasion, especially in Vegas, I guess, for Americans. I could just be stereotyping and use my all of it, but I know, like, I've seen a few videos where people are like, why would you go to Olive Garden? But we don't have it in the UK, so to me it's really exciting. It was a Friday and Esty wasn't there either. If you know, you know. If you don't, you should. I recommend you listening to Folklore by Taylor Swift. Thanks. But yeah, really good. I had the tour of Italy. I'm sure I've put some videos in, or I'll put them in now or whatever, but you'll see them. Oh, and the breadsticks, like unlimited breadsticks, man. And then they also do Moscato wine, which is my favourite wine. So when I saw that, I'm like, yeah, just give me is it a carafe? The big, I'm saying it like this, but it's not. It's like twice the size of that. But yeah, that was delicious. Then we had a little look around Target, which I've never been to, but I really wanted to go on like a fucking massive spree. And also I really need the Taylor Swift Eras book because you can't get it in the UK anymore. And they didn't have it. But the Target on the Strip is pretty shit. Like, it's tiny. I literally bought another massive pack of Chips Ahoy because, again, we don't get them in the UK. I think you can, but you pay like fucking 30 quid for like a tray of Chips Ahoy, and I'm not paying that. So I got another tray of them to take home. But yeah, we were meant to be going to the Link tonight and All Red, but it's Cowboy Christmas. It's the NFR. It's the final day tomorrow. So do I think we're gonna get into All Reds tonight when every single hotel and casino is full of cowboys? No. What we're gonna do, we might still go to the Link because we do have tickets for the High Roller, which are like a 3, we can use it like any day this weekend, because we got a Black Friday sale, so it was super cheap. So we do need to do that at some point. Although we did see a video of someone, just aware that this is just me talking for a long time, so if you've tuned out or skipped, cool. We saw a video of people being rescued from the High Roller by helicopter, and Peter was like, no, but he's on Who Want to Do It, so we're gonna do it. We've paid for it, so we're doing it. So I don't know if we'll go and do that. It's about 5:30 and we've just got back to the room and I am absolutely shattered. So I don't know if we might just go down to the casino at the Luxor tonight, and just have a bit of a gamble here. We've got 200 from, I also am aware that I've not been doing my daily budget, so I will try and do something with that. But we have 200 from yesterday and we have 400 for tonight because we were only going to go like in the Link and possibly Flamingo tonight. So we've got a decent budget, and we're low rollers, so that lasts us quite a while. And I'm obviously also assuming I'm going to win the jackpot on every machine I go on, so I'll have more money after that as well. But yeah, but we just don't know yet. I think we're going to have a nap, which I realise is danger nap time, like to have a nap now, but we need, well, I need a nap. I need to have a lie down. But yeah, Sorry if you just heard that, Peter sneezing. And again. So, also, I didn't realise that on the MGM app, just this might be like a pro tip, right? From a pro. Or everyone might already know this, but you know how the desks in reception, especially in Luxor, are mental busy all the time. You can go on the MGM app and you can like request certain things. So I've requested a big thick duvet blanket and I don't know if that's like a comforter again in the US, and then I asked for more pillows, so we now have like 5 pillows, which I'm excited about. But yeah, a huge blanket because it's been freezing at night in this room. If you turn the thermostat up, it just blows out cold air. So you can also like report maintenance stuff, so our TV wasn't working, and I like the TV on when I'm getting ready and you know whatever. So yeah, I'm like up to like 7.5 minutes now, so I'll let you go. But yeah, I'll take you along and let you know whatever we decide to do. And yeah, thanks for watching the videos if you are here watching them. Like, this is my first vlog style, and these aren't great, I'm fully aware, because it's really weird because I do a lot of on-camera stuff for work and I do a lot of videos and webinars and stuff, but when I'm recording for myself I feel a little bit awkward, and I don't want to because I really love watching other people's vlogs and I take so many photos and videos. I'm like, why am I not doing this, like, not properly, but you know, so that we can watch back, and if anyone else wants to watch, and if it's useful for anyone, that's great. And we're now up to 8 minutes 15, so you're probably absolutely sick of me. If you can understand me as well, if you're not from the UK, if you are from the UK as well, you can probably turn subtitles on somewhere down here so that you know what I'm saying. But yeah, I will take you along with whatever we decide to do later. Yeah, see you later. Ta-ra. Right, hello, I'm back. I thought, do you know what, I'll do a little haul because I love being nosy and seeing what other people have bought. Don't know, just ignore the hair because it's had enough for today. But I thought I'd show you what I've bought today. So at the Hoover Dam, I bought this magnet. This might not be interesting to anyone, but I just thought it was really fun, and we like to have magnets from places that we go. So yeah, that is one thing. And then we got this. So, well, I got this for Peter because he loves Lego. And I know this is not real Lego, but we got one at the Grand Canyon last year, and it's really cool, and it sits with our Lego architectures next to the Lego Vegas. So we got this one that was $19.99, which is quite a lot for a little bit of tat, but you know, here we are. And I know no one asked, but that is the finished product along with our little Vegas Lego and the Grand Canyon. So that's what they look like below. And then Peter, surprise surprise, got some Hot Wheels. I think they're ones that he doesn't have. So yeah, Hot Wheels. And just wait for it to come. More Chips Ahoy, because these are just the best things in the entire world. So yeah, that is my haul from today. I've also got some pink box donuts left from last night because I could only eat half of one because they're so sickly. Really good, but fuck me, like so sickly. Yeah, I still got a lot of that to eat, so might have a bit of that now. And then I might go through the budget of gambling budget. If I don't, I'll do a video separate and I'll go through like what we paid for the holiday, budgeting, what we spent, how much things cost. I'll try and do like, I think I would have already included like how much meals were and stuff. But if you do have any questions and you are watching these, let me know, and maybe I'll do like a recap video at the end, because I think for us, I do a lot of planning, to get stuff like the best value, and we do like my Vegas and all sorts of stuff. So yeah, also I just want to show you something, because I know I have showed you, but also it's just move the cookies, but my tattoo, so it's like fluff all over the bed, but my little tattoo is doing so well. Like it's starting to scab a little bit, but yeah, so buzzing. It hurt a lot. It did in bits. Tattoo, parts of it that hurt, parts of it that didn't. I'm doing another one. Might get another one before I leave. Yeah, also the nails, I haven't really shown them. My fingers are like all fucking scabby as anything now, but they were really cool. They are really cool. They were even cooler when they first got done, and my amazing nail girl had made them all nice and fresh and pretty, and then I just let my nails go to shit. So if you're watching this, Shauna, I'm really sorry. And they also flash under a light, which is cool, but I'll probably show you that at some point, if you're interested, for the girls. But yeah, I'll see you again later. So Peter isn't feeling very well and has gone to bed. It's Friday night and I really want to gamble, so just going down to the Luxor casino, throw in a sequin, and see if I'm lucky on my own. So this was like the third machine that I started winning on, but I didn't record the first two because I was feeling a little bit kind of shy, I guess. Recording on my own, I soon stopped caring. Especially when the money started coming in and the drinks were flowing. But yeah, I don't sound excited in this one, but I was internally like absolutely freaking out. Like I couldn't believe it, and I was also a little bit gutted that Peter wasn't there to enjoy this as well. But then I was like, yeah, maybe I'm just lucky on my own. But yeah, I'll let you watch the video a bit more. But I was excited despite how I sound in my little. Be kind to me. Okay, I'll take it. I literally cycling bets between all of these, and as I hit my first one of these. Shut the fuck up. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. That is unreal. I don't want to sit and just watch the whole thing because it's going to take a long time, but oh my god. I think that means I'm up a grand tonight. Shut the fuck up. I feel like I should do a bonus spin, but I'm just gonna do 375. That'll fucking do, pig. Shut up. Gamble without Peter from now on, like, fuck me. We'll do a backup spin at the 880 because why not? And then we'll fucking be cashing that out. Yep. Thank you very much. So I'm going back to bed. I don't know how much I'm up, but I think it must be about 1300, which I'm honestly. Now the question is, do I tell Peter or do I just pocket it all for myself? I'll tell him because he's gonna see the video anyway. But yeah, what a fucking buzz, and I only went down for an hour for a little flutter. Like, yeah, I stopped playing because I put another, I was just like cycling the same 100 basically, and I stopped winning at 40 and I thought, that's it, I'm done. My luck's run out, but what a fucking night.